Well, today guys we check out one of nature's artwork, you know. Nature have a way of creating its own masterpieces, guys. And this is just one of them. As you can see, this because of the limestone over time, you know, the water will create holes in it. And if we check around in this river right now, we'll find a few rocks that have developed these cavities that eventually will become holes themselves. I see a few earlier. Let me see where. Here's one. So this is where it begins. So it starts this process right here. Saw another one earlier. Where is it? I think this is it right here. As you can see, this one is very much advanced on its way. So that's how it is, guys. Nature has it at its best, creating masterpieces. Peace out.